My name's Chris Iliff. I studied fine art as a BA and then studied an MA later, and I come from a town called Rugby in England, and I graduated in 2009. It was just a progression really from my BA. I enjoyed my BA so much, loved the town. I come from Rugby's sort of mid-sized urban environment, and it's just really refreshing to come to a place like Aberystwyth, which is by the sea, and I love kind of going down the street and seeing people that I know all the time, and kind of love that community kind of spirit that Aberystwyth has. For me, the expertise that was really helpful to me was my tutor, which was Robert Mayrick, who's the head of the School of Art. Part of my master's was making a handmade book, and I don't know whether there's that many people in the world that could have helped me in such a way as he can. You know, the expertise that he had to bring to it. I mean, the collection that we have here as well, all the kind of rare books and private press books that we have, all was sort of fed into the work that I was doing, which was fantastic. You know, and being in such a wonderful place, and I had my own studio, which I kind of looked out over the sea, which is just over there. So that was great, having kind of just a whole room to be able to kind of fill and sort of work in for 2 years. Yeah, it's sort of a melting pot of minds really that sort of really know that their subjects really well. And part of the MA is teaching students as well, so you get kind of a small class and you kind of prepare a lesson and those kind of things. So it really kind of piqued my interest in that. I thought this is something I really wanted to do. And then I left and I went to a few different jobs. I did a marketing job, I helped open a shop and all these sort of things. And then they asked me to come back when there was a position, and I thought, yeah, that's kind of really what I had a passion for. I suppose the advice I would give to them is, to think why you're doing it. You know, what kind of, why would you want to do an MA? Because it's only a year if it's full time, 2 years if you're doing it part time. So it's very short. So it's just trying to have a clear sense of why you're going into it. You know, do you want to go into it for PhD purposes? Or do you want to do an MA so that you can broaden your skills and get more experience in that, and sort of become more well-rounded as an artist? I think that kind of helps sort of focus that sort of very limited time that you have into making the most of it.